Hello everyone. A High Court sitting in Kisii delivered a landmark ruling about the return of dowry after divorce of spouses in marriage. According to the presiding judge, Justice D.K.N. Magari, the concept of alimony was declared to be no longer part of the Kenyan law, whereby the ruling was now set to redefine how traditional unions and customary marriages will be dissolved in the country. In the case of CKN vs. DMO, of December 2023, Justice D.K.N. Magari actually delivered a ruling declaring that the dowry payment by the husband actually represents the existence of a customary marriage and it must be refunded back, in any case if the union ends, regardless of whoever received it. According to Justice D.K.N. Magari, the divorced wife remains to be responsible to ensure the return of dowry to her husband, even if the dowry was paid to her parents. On the question of timelines for returning dowry, if in any case the woman wishes to recover dowry from her parents, a timeline provision of 2 years maximum is given for her to file an indemnity legal suit against her parents. On the same ruling, the presiding judge was breathing fire, citing the provisions of Article 45 of the Constitution, whereby both men and women have equal rights during marriage, and any time upon its dissolution. In his view, the concept of alimony is an anathema to the equality of men and women, and was declared an outdated colonialism idea whereby one spouse is always disadvantaged after divorce. However, during the case hearing, the traditional elders petitioned overwhelming complaints urging the courts to respect cultural practices despite modernization, whereby the judges replied with a groundbreaking declaration that alimony is no longer recognized under the Kenyan law. The ruling has ever since sparked a widespread debate and reactions from across Kenya's cultural and legal circles, particularly in communities where full dowry return is not traditionally practiced. According to the ruling context of Justice Magari, his judgmental ruling carried a humane tone upon spouses on divorce, acknowledging the emotional strain of divorce, where both parties could move forward peacefully. Thank you and keep on subscribing.